2 years ago, I came to you and asked you to sacrificially to give generously for the kingdom of God, for that generation that's coming behind us, for our city, for the nations, for Jesus. That's what we're doing. We're making a difference right where we live, work, and play, not for our name or our glory, but for the glory of His name, from here to the nations. So what's been going on in the last couple of years? Well, as you know, it took us a while to get started. But once we did, man, the demolition in the facility right next to me went very quick. So all that was there has been cleared out. Some of you were able to go in on that special day and write your name and your verse on a special place before the construction began. But now we're preparing to begin that second phase of this process, the reconstruction. Beginning that first week in February, you're going to see a lot of activity that begins to take place. We think that's about a 10-month process. So we look forward to getting in that new worship center in the fall and celebrating what God has done for His kingdom, for that next generation, for the city, for the nations, for Jesus, for the glory of His name. Thank you for being a part of what He's doing.